Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily into technical analysis on Dogelon to Mars. Let's get straight into the charts, my beautiful friends. Boom, 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 boom. Look at this. We are seeing a double bottom being formed around the 773 level. Okay, now it is not quite exactly on it, but it is around it. And if we pull out this Fibonacci retracement level and look at where it retraced down to, we can see that it broke through this 0.786 level and started showing buying pressure right afterwards, which is a good thing. That means that buyers are stepping in and they do not want it to go lower than these previous bodies right here. So this is a great thing in the markets, but we want to see it hold within the next few days. Okay, we are on the daily candles right now. What we need to see today is a push higher than the 792 levels. That will indicate that buyers are truly stepping in and pushing it higher. Now, if we don't see that today, then we need to see that early tomorrow morning, early in the next daily candle. So to clarify, I'll draw a little horizontal line. We want to see it push higher than these previous bodies. Okay? As we see it push higher than these previous bodies, it is important to see that we hold above these 792, 794 levels. We'll just say 8 levels to be safe, because that is the true resistance here. So I'm going to drop time frames so we can get some more action going on. We're seeing some consistent buying pressure right here as it slowly is getting bought up, which is a good thing. We are continuing to create higher lows. However, we don't want to drop back below these 631 levels, or else we'll be heading back down to these 5 levels. All right, it's a great thing. If we do get down to these 5 levels, I will be adding more. Now, it didn't drop below my it did drop below my average, because I averaged in around these 6.2 levels. It dropped right down to these 622 levels. So it was not a good buy for me at the time. I want to get a better price below what I got in at if I'm going to add more to my position size. So, my beautiful friends, that's what we need to look out for. They pushed higher than the 794 levels today, and a hold. Okay, if we see that, then it's indication that we will be moving higher in the next coming days. We want to see this volume continue to thicken up. We want to see this right here, this type of volume moving in, boom, 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 pushing it higher. Now, a lot of stuff is going on in the world right now, which is definitely impacting the overall markets and the crypto markets. So we will see how that plays out in the overall markets. People are getting very skeptical and scared right now, which is, you can look at it as a good thing and a bad thing. A good thing because when people are scared, prices drop, we can get a discount. A bad thing because when people are scared, others don't want to buy, which makes the prices drop. So pretty much we'll be looking at discounts, most likely, coming up soon. However, that is in the stock market. How crypto markets will react is simply, there's no historical evidence on how they will react. They haven't been around that long. But based on the overall sentiment, we shall have to see. We shall have to see. Right now, it's reacting better than I thought it would. That's for dang sure. We are showing some buying pressure, and it's a good sign. So we are in the correct boat here. We just need to HODL strong, continue adding to our positions. Yeah. If you want real-time buy and sell alerts, join the Patreon. Links in the description. Daily updates as well. I have not been posting daily just because I've been really focusing on this other channel. We're about to travel, go to Tennessee for a week, just so we can get some content, my friends. So, wish me luck on that road trip. Last time we did that, I almost died. Crazy thing. So, Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.